working with ODM leader Raila Odinga in order to implement the region's development agenda. Rita Tinina has the details.
Just 2 days after he hosted President Uhuru Kenyatta and ODM leader Raila Odinga to lunch at his current residence, Deputy President William Ruto, who has evidently been a busy man traversing the country with the exception of pockets of Raila Odinga's Nyanza backyard, visited Migori and Homa Bay counties. The visit, dubbed a development tour of the two counties. In Migori, Ruto was hosted by embattled Migori Governor Okoth Obado in one of his first public engagements since he was released on bail after a month in remand over the murder of university student Sharon Otieno. Obado has been on a warpath with Raila after the governor rejected ODM's choice for the Migori senatorial by-election.
I want to most sincerely welcome you to Migori County and request that if possible, kuja na urudi tena na tena.
6 ODM MPs from the county gave the Migori visit a wide berth. Only 2 MPs, Kuria East MP Maisori Kitayana and Kuria West MP Matthias Robi, both of Jubilee, accompanied the deputy president.
Simunaona hata Agwambo amekubali tushirikiane. Sasa kama Agwambo amekubali tushirikiane, wewe ni nani hapa katikati kutuambia ya kwamba hatuwezi kushirikiana?
In Homa Bay, Ruto was accompanied by the Karachuonyo MP Adipo Okwome and the Homa Bay Deputy Governor. Ruto asked leaders to shun politics and work together in the spirit of the Uhuru Kenyatta-Raila Odinga handshake.
Hatutaki siasa tena ya mgawanyiko, hatutaki siasa tena ya ukabila. Sisi wote tuungane, tushughulike na mambo ya maendeleo ya wananchi wa Kenya.
The tour is seen as Ruto's first attempt to make inroads into the opposition stronghold of Nyanza.
Unanijua mimi naitwa William.
And for a man who has had rocky relations with opposition MPs, the debut visit was without any incident as Ruto cashes in on the spirit of the handshake. Rita Tinina, KTN News.
You're watching KTN Prime. Thank you for staying with us. Time for a quick commercial break. We are back shortly with more for you. Stay with us.